Oh my god, you're joking.
Hello and welcome to another video. We're back on the vlog. Sorry, I've just had some crisps, you know. We're back on the vlog style because today is a weird day. Faye, my girlfriend, who you've probably seen before, she's gone on holiday. Well, she's not gone on holiday, she's gone away with work. What I've done, or what I'm trying to do, while she's away, is I'm buying her old car back that she loved because it's just come up for sale, and it's a BMW E36 compact, and she's sad that it ever went, and she wanted it back ever since, and I've seen it for sale, and I'm gonna go buy it for her without her knowing, so I can surprise her when she comes back. Well, maybe not when she comes back. They'll go to a garage, fix it up, and then surprise her in a week or two. So just to give you a little more context with this, Faye's brother is actually helping me. He's coming with the trailer, which I've had to buy him a tow bar for his car, because he's got a trailer already. So he's coming with the trailer, and he's going to come down to Peterborough, because that's where it is. I'm going to go tow it back, and apparently we can't get there before 9 o'clock because he's not free. So it's going to be a late trip. Don't know what I'm going to tell Faye, but hopefully we'll be here soon. Hello, right, I forgot to film when we set off, so now Ash has just got us here with a rig. There's Ash. Broken trailer. Broken trailer. The mud guard flew off on the motorway and might have hit a B&Q lorry, but you know, we'll not talk about that. And here she is. We've just talked to Pierce, just bought it from down there. I didn't want to start getting camera out and filming him, so here she is, sports fans. She's back. She's back. Oh, this thing feels. She sounds like she did before. It's got a new exhaust on it, but it's still as raspy as the other one. She's still got Faye's pink gear knob in it, and it's still got Faye's pink folder. Missing a door card, but that's in boot. Needs a few little bits, as you can see. It's a bit. It needs a bit of work since we last had it, but it's got some different wheels. A few little scratches here and there, but apart from that, there she is. We're going to load her up onto the trailer and make the long journey back. Right, it's officially getting dark now. We're going to set off. I can't remember what I've recorded, it's gone so fast. I like to record videos while Ash puts it on trailer. So it's getting dark and we've got to go, we've got to make tracks. Pace has gone back in now. Thanks again for selling us that. You didn't have to do that, but he sold us it back. And yeah, she's on the trailer, loaded up. And I'll catch up with you guys when we get back. We're still on our way home. Oh, it's getting late now. Right, I'm back at home now. Don't know if you can tell, I'm quite tired. It's now currently midnight. It's been a 4-hour trip to Peterborough. Whoa, cat's running around. It's been a 4-hour trip to Peterborough. Faye's brother, has taken the car back to his house, and then he's going to take it to work with him in the morning. Possibly a leak under the manifold somewhere, so we're going to sort that. I'm going to clean it and do the big reveal at some point soon. Don't know when it's going to be. Just need to keep the car under wraps so she doesn't see it. But yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Welcome back. This is, I think I left you at the trailer in the car off from my house. Yeah, the car's at the garage now, at Ash's garage. We found the problem with the engine, and there's a hose that's rusted and snapped off the actual metal part that it connects to on the engine block. So we don't really know how to go about doing that, but it's leaking water. So we're going to try and get it working again. Well, chop it, weld it, put them pieces of pipe in, or one of the pieces of pipe in, and fit the hose back on, and then it should be a fully functioning car, E36 again, with no leaks. So that's as far as we've got. I've got to go fix the car, clean it, spend a couple of hours on it, and then I can reveal it. But I've got to get there without Faye first, so I'll catch you when I'm back at the car, somehow, someday. And you join me another day, another dollar. I'm knackered, but the car, I've managed to sneak off. The car's right there, it's in Ash's unit. And I've just brought the parts to try and fix it. And I'll get a little video. And yeah, hopefully we'll get it revealed soon. Here she is, sports fans. There she is. It's a bit muddy. And there's Ash, just trying to figure out if we can fix it. Yes, I need a good scrub. There's the problem. Well, it's not a problem anymore. So yeah, them new clips, them new things are going to go in there, or one of them. Try and get it in there, and put a new pipe on. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Camera won't focus, but yeah. Try and get that in there, and should be fixed, hopefully. Hey! Look at that, solid. As an E36 goes, fucking solid. Just tightening drive shafts up because it's knocking a bit of plane. Hello, it's day number 3. Oh, I don't know. We picked the car up a week and a bit ago now. I'm back at the garage, even though you've just seen the clip where I've just been at the garage. I'm back at the garage, it's a few days later now. Just got out of the shower, nice and fresh for the garage life. Update, Ash has fixed the car, I think. We're going to take it for a run in a minute, so I'll get some footage of it. I've come to clean the car. I'm going to get some more footage of it being clean. Get some pictures of it while it's clean, and then hopefully reveal it tomorrow with the motorist. Ash will have it parked there before we get there, in a parking spot, hidden away somewhere, and then she'll see it and be like, whoa, and then I'll give her a key, or something like that. So, I'm gonna get out now. The car is over there, as you can see. I'll try and see if this camera zoom. Oh, it's a slow zoom. It's a slow zoom, but there she is. There she is. Oh, it's like a different car. Actually just giving it a little wash off. Might have ended up with some wheel cleaner in my eyes, but fingers crossed we're going to be all good there. And barbers have come up not too bad at all. To say they were caked. So quick update, we're just going out in the car now. I like this new feature. Yeah, it's quite a nice horn, isn't it? It's a nice pink gear knob, I'm glad that's still on. Went to Nuki in this bad boy. Oh, she flies! She flies! Okay, so we've had a bit of an issue. It gets up to temp. As you can see, we have a situation. Misfiring, might be overheating. Problem found. Look at that. Look at that oil / water. So yeah. Need new engine. Or head gasket doing, but maybe we'll just get a new engine at this point. We might still reveal it tomorrow, maybe. Yeah, just still reveal it. Just needs a new engine. Here's your car. Needs a new engine. Ooh. Yeah, it's just another E36. Another broken E36. Yeah. Right. So the plan is to fill it back up with oil and just take it to motorist in the morning. Reveal it still, and we'll catch up with you on the big reveal. I'll try and film it, that's the plan anyway. I'm just gonna sort it all out and then get a new engine for it. So, yeah. Just a motorist. Just having a walk about. Just having a walk. back to West Yorkshire.
I
don't think so.
No, I don't.
I think it's the same as it was, isn't it?
Oh my god, guys, the compact has returned to Yorkshire. I can't believe it. Just come to Motorist and here she is. My old compact. Oh, I feel sad.
You know what I can't believe?
What?
Look. It's yours. It's yours. It is. Bought it back for you. No. Bought it back for you, went to go pick it up. Me and Ash went to go pick it up. When you were in Spain. Welcome back to the compact. Let's come back.
Oh, I just left the spare key in the drawer and you were like, oh, you didn't. Oh my god, you're joking. I can't believe it, I was just about to say outside, I haven't seen it.
How sad you are to see it. She's back. Look, you still got your pink. Still got your pink gain up.
I was just gonna say it's still got my pink.
It's got dark cards in boot.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god.
Woo!
I don't know what to say.
Ash has been sorting engine out because it were leaking. So it's been at unit for a week. Well, we picked it up ages ago, and I've been like sneaking out trying to say now we're doing other stuff to get to car. Right, we're back. It's been revealed. We're in the compact now.
She's back. I can't believe it. I just thought, I was like, oh my god, someone from Yorkshire's bought it, and now I'm gonna have to see it every day. But someone from Yorkshire did buy it.
Yeah, you bought it. Got your pink gear on the back that you bought. It's a bit worn now.
I can't believe that she's back. I was really sad when I saw it back up for sale and I thought, oh, I want it back. Now she's back.
Now she's back. We've got nowhere to put it. We've got no idea what we're doing with it. Too many cars, but bought it anyway. So, oh, it's even got history file still in there. Fantastic.
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah, that's it. We're not going to start up and drive it because the head gasket is gone. Ash is going to take it back to the unit now, and new engine is going in next week. Pete's got us an engine and ECU and everything, so get it back on the road and then we'll see what happens with it. Yeah. Peace.